One of the most important things you need to know before filing for divorce is I would recommend that you consult with an attorney. A lot of family law lawyers out there have free consultations for you to go in and visit with them. So whether it's a divorce that you think you want to handle yourself or not, I recommend and suggest that you talk with a qualified family law attorney to get your options. Once you've done that, you can determine whether or not you can handle it by yourself. However, I would recommend that if there's any contested issues, that you follow up with hiring an attorney. One of the biggest things you need to know before filing for divorce is know what your assets and know what your liabilities are. Especially if you're the spouse that's not handling the money in the marriage, then you want to get a handle on what's being spent where, what your income is or what your spouse's income is. You want to know what kind of debts, credit card debts, what other debts you may have out there. Are you on the mortgage or are you not on the mortgage before you file for divorce, because it's going to be hard to find that information out after you filed, because obviously it becomes a little more difficult and you have to go through a discovery process and it gets expensive. The other thing I would suggest before filing for divorce is that you've got to have a plan. Whatever you do, have a plan of action. You don't want to go down there, file for divorce without thinking, what am I going to do next? So I would recommend having a plan in place, talking with an attorney before proceeding with a divorce, filing for a divorce petition.